How to subtract algebraic expressions. Okay, example. 4y plus 4 minus this expression 3y minus 6. Okay, first, multiply this sign to each term in this expression. So this is negative times 3y, then this is negative 3y. Okay, next is negative times negative 6, then that's positive 6. Okay, copy 4y plus 4. So this is now 4y plus 4 minus 3y plus 6. Okay, now we will combine like terms. So 4y and negative 3y are like terms. So we have 4y minus 3y. Okay, plus 4 plus 6. 4y minus 3y, that's 1y, or we can just write y. So y, and then 4 plus 6 is 10. So y plus 10 is our simplified expression. Number 2 is negative 5y minus 6 inside the parenthesis minus this expression, negative 3y plus 6. So this is negative times negative 3y and negative times 6. So negative times negative 3y, that's positive 3y. Negative times 6 is negative 6. Okay, copy negative 5y minus 6. So this is negative 5y minus 6 plus 3y minus 6. Okay, let's combine like terms. Negative 5y and 3y are like terms. So we have negative 5y plus 3y, and then negative 6 or minus 6 minus 6. Okay, negative 5y plus 3y, it's negative 2y. And negative 6 minus 6, that's negative 12. So negative 2y minus 12 is our simplified expression. Try it also for number 3, and what is your answer?